Hello everyone and welcome to my channel X7 Crash Tutorials. My name is Suryansh Kushwaha and today we are going to be understanding about lists in HTML. So let's quickly begin. So lists are used to create lists in HTML. There are three different types of lists: your unordered list, ordered list and description list. We will quickly start with the unordered list. The unordered list is used to write down things which do not need to be in specific order, like shopping lists. You can first buy the first thing and then buy the second thing. It does not matter, right? Let's quickly begin with the code. So to start the unordered list, you will use UL, which is the short form for unordered list. After that, we will use li to define a list item. Now the list item, inside the list item tag, you will write down whatever needs to be inside the list, which is the list item. So right here I can write apple, right here I can write banana. Okay, so it is like that. Now we can close the UL like this, and if you see right here, apple and banana have came as list items. Now this might seem a bit boring to you, this normal black spots, these bullets. So we can make them look a bit better by going into the code, and we can change its style using CSS. We can write here list style type, which means what do we want the lists styles type to be. For example, normally it's as default it's disk. It can be circle, I think. As you can see, it has now become a circle. And now if I write here square, it should become a square. So like that our unordered list works. Now come on to ordered list. Ordered list is used to give ranks to anything. Ordered list is used to make a list that needs to be in a specific order. So quickly begin with that. Ordered list is started with the OL tag, which is the short form for ordered list. Inside that, obviously we'll put some list items, and right here we can write India, we can write we can write China, like that. Okay, and now if we quickly close the URL and we come right here, as you can see, India and China here have come, and they have been giving the numbers 1 and 2. Now if you want, you can also change the numbers right here by writing here type, and inside this you can write, for example, I start with Roman numbers. There are Roman numbers. You can write here ABCs, small ABCs, AB, big capital ABCs. You can write here small Roman numbers. So obviously these are different types of OLs. There might be a lot of different type of ordered list styles, but my favorite is the small one. Coming on to description list. Now this will become a bit difficult to understand, so bear with me for a second. Description list is defined with DL. Okay, so first of all, DL is used to start the description list. Okay, now for one description list we only use the DL 2 times. Okay, not more than 2 times. After that is a DT, which is the description list description term. So now this is used when you want to write one thing and explain it, second thing and explain it. For example, if I write India, then India. Okay, so this has become an item. Now its description, we'll use the DT tab, which is the description, which is for the description. I can write India is the most populous country in the world. Its capital is New Delhi. Now after this, the second item can come, which is DT or China. Now we can give it a description like China is the second most populous country in the world. Its capital is Beijing. Now if we come right here, you can see it has first written India, then it has described what India is, then it has written China and described what China is. So this is used when, for example, you want to write one thing and describe it, write the second thing and describe it. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Thanks a lot for supporting me. धन्यवाद.